Hey there, this is Dylan from Fuel Your Photos. Today we're talking about WordPress plugins. By far the number one plugin we recommend for SEO is Yoast, and we recommend it because it has been tested on over 5 million sites, rarely has bugs, and does what it needs to do. Plus, if you're looking up for a tutorial or a how-to guide on how to use it, it has the most documentation. After that, we recommend a few performance plugins. The first is WP Rocket. It's going to help speed up your WordPress site. The second is Short Pixel, which will compress and can resize your entire image library and then every photo you upload after that. Outside of that, Table of Contents Plus is great for longer form content and getting users to the exact part of your page that is most useful for them. It's also cool for getting those little site links in the Google search results that go straight to headings for subtopics on your page. After that, we recommend Google's Sitekit plugin. This plugin is awesome for verifying your Google Search Console. It adds Google Analytics to your site. It can add Google Tag Manager, and it also brings all of that data, including page speed insights, into your WordPress dashboard. Other than that, we recommend using Akismet, which is a free, if you say $0, anti-spam plugin that saves you from getting spam comments. Other than that, we recommend a plugin called Redirection. This is a plugin that handles 301 redirects, which can be somewhat technical, but if you install this plugin from the start, it will automatically redirect anytime you change the URL of a blog post or page. Outside of that, there are two other types of WordPress plugins you should look into. Security, so a plugin like WordFence or Securi, those are great for making sure that you don't get hacked and that your site is secure. And then a backup plugin. If your hosting doesn't provide backups for you, there are plugins like WP Vault. Many of them have subscription costs, but they back up your site on a regular basis. So if you have an issue, you can always revert back to the backup. We hope this has been helpful, and those are the plugins we recommend on most WordPress installations.